Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will be making a wall Christmas tree by using the planks and probably some other Christmas decoration that maybe you can do at home with your kids, with your family members, or just for fun with your friends. I'm not much in a holiday spirit. I don't really like Christmas, so I'm not going to be decorating a lot. But I do want to have some decoration. I am considering putting setting up a Christmas tree because of the little mister right there. I would really love him to have a Christmas tree. So we'll see. But for now, I want to do some decorations with the stuff that I have lying around since I will be moving quite soon. Anyway, let's get to see what we need. So I don't know what these are called. I know what they're called in Spanish because I bought them here. However, these are like really thin pieces of wood. I don't know if you can see. Well, I have a few thinner ones and a few thicker ones. This one is the thinner. This one was already broken when I bought it, so they kind of like helped me there. It is a jagged edge. I might try to fix that. And this one has like about half an inch or a little bit under or over 1 centimeter thickness. And I need to try to figure out how to cut it because I do not have any kind of saw with me. But I might use the bread knife, we'll see. Anyway, apart from that, you will need some cord. I have a jute cord somewhere, and I have this. This is going to be for some bows and stuff. And of course, we will need some glue sticks and the glue gun, one scalpel, or well, I don't like X-Acto knives, so this is much better. And we will need some pliers, probably bigger ones as well. And we will need tape measure. So yeah, and the marker. That's pretty much it. Let's get into the video. I hope you can see, but I have different sizes, different lengths of these sticks. And it turned out that I did not even need to cut them, which was really great. I just needed to trim this little bit that was broken. So if it's easier for you, instead of cutting them, you can just etch them with a bread knife, and then it's going to be easier to break them. Of course, instead of your hands, as I did, use the pliers. This really helps tremendously. The wood does not really need to be smooth on the sides. Nobody will be touching it. But if you wish, you can just use a little bit of sanding paper and fix this. So I tried to measure them up to see what I was going to do. And I ended up not measuring them with measuring tape, but actually just doing each one twice the size. And this one was practically perfect. And I just needed to trim that jagged bit a little bit, and that was it. The next stick that I used is the one that is about 60 centimeters, and the next one was 91, 92. It's kind of like approximate. Anyway, this is what I managed to find. So I had two different sizes of sticks, but one was broken, and it broke in the right place. So I didn't really need to bother with this. Once I got them ready, when I had the sizes I needed, I started placing them in the order I wanted them to be, and of course with the distances that I wanted them to be. I think that the distance is approximately about 25 centimeters because I wanted to leave some space so that I can have some hanging decorations, and you will see in the end. Also, you will need some jute yarn, and this is like just cord rope. Any kind of rope would do. It can be even a ribbon. It doesn't have to be this. I wanted this particular look, and I also had leftover from a different project. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna try to place them in the distance that you wish them to be, and then you're just going to twist the rope around them, and of course securing it with the hot glue. I really hope you can see what I'm doing, but I think it's pretty much self-explanatory. Yeah, this is a beautiful close-up of my hair. And yes, so this is the first one. You will see in the second one. It's really easy to do. This looks a lot more fiddly than it is because I am trying to record and I'm trying to take the position that's the easiest for me, and in order not to be in the shot. Plus, I also need to be close to a socket so that I can have my hot glue gun working. If you do it without recording, it's going to go a lot easier. Yeah, you are getting some very nice shots of my socks. Sorry about that, but it could not be helped. I'm gonna try to cut them out as much as I can. Anyway, continue this way until you have a triangle. I just want to say that this is a very nice, easy, and minimalistic way, especially if you don't have enough space in your apartment and you want to feel a little bit festive and you want to add some decorations. As you can see, it's not small. This is quite tall and a decent size. I am, for the reference, 5'9", 5'10", depending on the day, depending on my posture. So here I'm adding all the possible decorations that I have. And some of these, most of these, I made by myself. The bows, the hearts, the Christmas trees, they're all made by me. I will eventually add some stuff that I bought because they were like super cheap and I did not want to waste time making them. I will insert that at a later time because this time around I only added everything that I made. Some crochet things like a crochet heart. Here is the Christmas tree that I finished on that day, and I decided to add a little bit of more oomph to it. It does look cute in person. However, in the video, it looks a little bit empty, and I wanted it to be a little bit more rich, even though it is minimal. It is totally up to you how you're going to decorate yours. I just wanted to show you that you do not need to spend a lot of money in order to make something like this. And when you're making stuff, there's a lot of mess to clean up afterwards. And this is Senior Winston lying on the ground, enjoying his time and being angry at me for not playing with him. But look at him, a distinguished gentleman. Look at how he sits. Cute, 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 sexy. And this is the final finished Christmas tree. I added some fairy lights that are plug-in because the ones using the batteries, they will never work. They were never supposed to work. So trust me, buy fairy lights that plug in and use electricity and not batteries. Anyway, I was trying to adjust some of these things. All good. And this is the finished Christmas tree. Hooray! It is very cute. It is not small and it can fit anywhere. And the best thing is I can pack it up, wrap it up, and use it again next year without having to do any work whatsoever. If you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching. Bye!